Which animal sleeps with only half its brain at a time? Shark, dolphin, giraffe, sponge. Correct answer: dolphin. Where are Albert Einstein's preserved eyeballs kept? Museum. Buried. Safe deposit box. In space. Correct answer: safe deposit box. Which country's flag features a modern assault rifle? Saudi Arabia, Mozambique, Libya, North Korea. Correct answer: Mozambique.